Let me show you the newest addition to my homestead. It's the solar automatic chicken coop door. Now, ChickCozy sent me this to review for you guys. They sent me one in the past, but it was not solar. It had batteries, and you had to either put new batteries in it or recharge those batteries. They have upgraded the dog out of this, and this is the solar automatic chicken coop door. Well packaged. Got all your instructions here. Got some stuff for the kiddos, some stickers for the kids. Again, automatic, tells you how to cut the hole for the in your chicken coop, the kind of a template for your for the hole you need to cut so you can mount it. I mean, everything you need, just couldn't be more simple. And their instructions are always well done for the typical American householder. Let's put it that way. But man, this is a handsome unit. I mean, that is a beauty. I don't know whether you're familiar with one of these, if you saw the last one I had and did a review on. But again, this one's different because it's solar. But let me just get some of this stuff out of the way so I can show you the unit itself. But I did want to show you how well it's packaged. I mean, they appreciate their product and want to keep it safe on the journey. So well done as far as packaging. So this is the door itself, and in the past, everything was on the door. The mounting, the buttons, the timer, the way to set it, the light sensor for on at dawn and off at dusk. All those were mounted here on the top here, but in this one, they've got it all mounted on this external solar panel. This flips up, and you do all your programming here. You can program it if you want to with by time to come on at to open up at like 7 in the morning and then close back up at 7 at night or something like that. Or you can leave it up to the light sensor here. It senses when it's getting dark, closes it up. It senses when the sun comes up, when it starts getting light, and opens up. Let's hook it up. All this is watertight. I mean, these connections are solid. Got that rubber neoprene or whatever it is around them to keep it watertight. And again, this is kind of, you locate in a different place. You locate this where you can catch some good sun and close it up. And then this is located wherever you want the chickens to enter and exit. This is the mounting bracket that comes with it. Now the other one, if I remember right, had a single motor, and it had, I don't know whether it's chain drive or what it was, but a single motor drove this. This one has dual motors on it. It's also, the other one had a track here that the door slid in, and when the chickens come in and out, that track would get get some shavings in it, dirt in it, whatever. And sometimes it would build up to where when it started to close, it would hit some of that debris and stop. This one, they've slicked it out, doesn't have any track there to get in the way. It's also very quiet. It's going to close, and watch this. It comes in gently, slowly and gently, and then if it hits an obstruction, it'll go back and try again. This time we're going to try it again. I mean, very little pressure on my hand. I think it tries 3 times. I'm not sure about that. Several times, and then if a chicken were to get caught in it, it's not going to hurt them. Like I say, I mean, that's nothing. That doesn't hurt at all. But if a chicken were to be in the way, they'll learn to get out of the way of it. But if they were to get in the way, it would come in, stop on them, back off, give them time to come in and out, and then it will close up again. Again, it's got a timer on it where you can set the time of day you want to open and the time of day you want to shut, or you can go by the sensor, the light sensor right there, and let it do that. Close this up, you're done programming it. Hang that up somewhere on your coop that's going to catch the most sun, so you can keep this charged. It's got I think a 3200 milliamp battery inside. Obviously, it's close. I don't think we have to deal with it at all because the solar panel charges it. But I mean, just a really, you talk about a good looking product. That is a really nice, good looking product. You got your mounts, 2 mounts here, 2 mount holes here, and easy to mount. Again, instructions come as far as what size opening, 8 and a quarter inch by 10 and a quarter inch H hole, or an opening for it to mount on, and again, stickers for you kiddos. It's really good. I haven't put it on my coop or anything like that yet. Just wanted to show it to you guys, and thank them for sending it to me, because this is definitely an upgrade from the one I already have. The one that's battery powered. The batteries do run out, and you have to kind of keep an eye on it, and you don't want to take the chance on the batteries running out sometime when you want it to either close at night or open up in the next morning, and you'll not be there to check and see if it's open. Now, why do you need one of these? Listen, if you've got chickens, predators are your main problem. Predators are absolutely the main problem with chickens. It's not disease. It's not what you feed them. It's not whatever. It's predators. They can be aerial predators or it can be ground predators. And most of the time, it's nocturnal. Most of the time, your ground predators going to come at night. It's going to be a coyote. It's going to be a possum or a skunk or a raccoon. Even an owl can get in through the door and go up there and get them. So if you don't have a way to protect your chickens, to lock them up at night, and I know you say, well, I'm going to lock them up. I lock mine up every night. Well, you know, sometimes things happen, life happens, and you either forget or you don't get to go out there, and that's invariably that's the night they're going to come. So I highly, highly recommend you get an automatic door, and from what I've seen of this one, this is the best. I like the solar mounting, the solar capabilities of it. And it's from ChickCozy. I've got the older ChickCozy door, automatic door. I've got a ChickCozy brooder. I've got a ChickCozy incubator. They make great, great products. So really good stuff. ChickCozy. They sent it to me. I'm shouting it out to you. I really like it. I think you're going to like it too.